Hi, this is Caroline from Palmy Healing. Hello, this is Caroline from Palmy Healing, and I love to talk to you a bit about the awesomeness of nature today. Is anybody live? I don't see anybody following yet, so maybe someone is coming in soon. I go for a daily walk in nature every morning. The green, nature, the fresh air, sunshine if there is all very soothing and releasing for our whole body nervous system and our energy. Nature is our greatest healer, and it's just awesome to be outside and enjoy nature. Take some fresh, awesome breaths and release and restore. While walking, I sometimes have the best ideas. How do you like nature? You can go next to water. That's also very releasing, or more into a forest. Maybe you love the trees. Or you just walk along fields and nature and farmland. Anything is awesome. And of course, if you live in a city, you just go to the local park and just sit there and just feel the releasing and the healing nature or just a bit of green can do. The green is also great because it's soothing to the eye. It's healing and it's connected to Archangel Raphael, of course. So let me know what your best nature experiences have been. And there's also a butterfly. Oh, I don't know whether I can catch it. Just flying by. It's awesome. It's a connection to the universe. It's being one with nature. And it's about just living and being. Let's see. Catch the butterfly. Oh, it's gone. Maybe it's coming again. So this is the grass. And there you see my cat also enjoying nature, and I can show you the tortoises. Here are some grapes, my garden, and let's see here. You might see one of our tortoises taking a walk outside, and there is a tortoise eating its salad. So, just wanted to talk a bit about nature and its healing abilities. Go outside into nature every day, if only for a couple of minutes. It's already healing, soothing, and doing you a lot of good. Have a wonderful evening and speak to you soon. Bye.